All right, guys, I'm having way too much fun with this. So I thought I would attempt to do a pirate look. Tried to accessorize it as like masculine as I could. I definitely want to put together an actual like pirate costume at some point. 100% inspired by TT Brett and Seriously, I believe are their handles. I will go ahead and link the videos for the inspiration in the down bar below. Definitely go check them out. Their work is incredibly inspiring and really cool. I am just feeling myself with this chin. Really wanted to open this for the video, but I am hoping that we open it on our 1-year anniversary, which is next month, because it was a gift from my abuelita and it's a Chilean wine. All right, so without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm doing is using a cream contour to just outline the parts of my face that need to deepen and darken it to just get that more masculine look to my face. Then I'm going in with a brown shadow and just deepening up the bridge of like my forehead and in the middle of my forehead and around my eyes, like underneath and in the crease, and definitely along my nose to kind of make it look a bit more crooked. So then with my brows, what I'm doing is using a brow cream and I'm kind of back combing my brows and then combing them back out. And then I'm using a combination of shadows and brow cream to make my brows look a lot more bushy. So then I'm taking a stippling brush and I'm putting the brow cream, I ran it along the edge of the stippling brush. So then I'm just using that to kind of lightly go on top of and just continuously build up that stubble effect. So then I'm taking a thin brush with a more concentrated amount of that brow cream. It's definitely darker. I will admit that it's definitely better if you're patient with this. I got a little bit impatient towards the end, and when I took my retainer out, I accidentally smudged up some of my mustache. For me, I felt safer just starting around my jawline and my edges because I felt like if I made any mistakes, that area would be more forgiving. And then just keep looking at your reference photo and just slowly kind of build up to make it look more realistic. Like the smaller, thinner lines definitely help. How do I look?
My Don Julio.
Don Julio?
That's what I think when I look at you.
That's awesome. I want to add a scar to my face, but I don't know where.
You should put it on your upper cheek. And you should put an X.
Like Jack Sparrow. So for this scar, I just took a reddish brown powder and then I took my foundation and on a thin brush, I kind of layered it on top.
Don't fuck it up.
And in certain areas to make it look a little bit lighter. And then I took a brown shadow color and just went in a couple spots underneath to give it more of a 3D look. And that's everything. I want to be a cowboy, baby.
Gosh.
Alright guys, so this was just a quick little add-on. The first time I attempted to do this, I could make myself look masculine and with a beard. I stole my husband's shirt, and this is from Australia. Speaking of the little kangaroo, I said I don't know how a cowboy would end up with a scar like this.
You was throwing hay, you was throwing hay bales one day, and the hay saber bopped off and cut you in the face.
Oh boy, boy howdy.